What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And you know, like always, all praise to the Most High for keeping us busy and allowing us to do what we love. In this episode, you know, we got Big Woo back here, man. He's putting up the jack. We about to take this Chevy S10 to the scrapyard, smash that, and then we got to pick up I want to say a 2009 GMC Yukon Denali. No, Tahoe. And we got to pick up a Ford, I think it's a Ford Edge, I want to believe. Ford Edge. So, tune in, guys. So when we get to the scrapyard, I'm going to lock y'all in. Peace. What's going on, guys? What's going on, man? Out here at the scrapper-roo. Yeah, nigga. On none of that shit. Hey guys, I'm gonna pause it till they get down here and pull it off. Hit y'all right back. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Get to this money today, man. Get to this money, baby. Goodbye, Chevy S10, baby, the last ride. And as y'all see it on the head, 3 aluminum wheels. Good tires though, really good tires. Good tires on them too, cuz. Yep. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yep. We'll do it, bro. We'll do it, bro. All right, guys. See y'all in a minute. Peace. Hey, guys, real quick, man. Just wanted to tap in and let you know what the Chevy S10 brought back. So with this particular scrapyard that we go to, we get $205 per ton. And as you see, it brought back, it brought back $266, guys. So like I said, just picking it up, taking it to the scrapyard. You see we made a quick $160 plus. So let's go, guys. Let's get some money. Peace.
I'ma get rich before I hit the ground. I'ma get rich. I'ma get rich before I hit the ground. I'ma get rich. Before I hit the ground, I'ma get rich. I'ma get rich. Before I hit the ground, I'ma get rich. I'ma get rich. I'ma get rich before I'ma get rich. I'ma get rich before I hit the ground. I'ma get rich. Before I hit the ground, I'ma get rich. Hit the ground, I'ma get rich.
At the light, turn left onto Anniston Drive, then turn left to stay on Anniston Drive.
Here, man. Gonna pick up the car, man. And actually, guys, I'm gonna take y'all, man, to a little spot, man. We've been eating here recently, man. Honey J's. Man. Honey J's, man. Let y'all see what that is, man. If y'all ever in the Lexington, Kentucky area, man, it's probably a
turn
little
left
spot
to stay on Anniston Drive, then your destination will be on the right.
Out. And there it goes, right there. Right there. Crash in the front. Does have the title and everything. We giving these people $400 for it. And it does still run and drive. I'm gonna see how bad it's hurt. There we go.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Wayland Drive.
Let's see, right. Perfect?
No, it's sport.
Yeah. Telling me here. Yep, let's get it. Get this money ready, man. Where I put the other money at? I think I got it. Y'all got it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get these people. Oh man, where's my card at? Look at it.
They in that house where these bins at.
Man, this, yeah. Where's my card at? It's cool. Left my debit card at the house. I'll be tripping. What these people saying? Cool, it's cool now. Whew. Like I said, the customer did state this it will drive, so it really wasn't too bad for real. Some trash in the back.
We picked up dude's car for.
Did we? Oh, okay. Hood smashed up. Let me see. What's going on, man? Chilling, man. Everything good? Yes, sir. Yeah. Smashed it on you?
Nah, it wasn't even on me, bro. It wasn't in the car.
Damn, bro.
I was out.
Oh, okay. Hey, what's crazy? I didn't know it was you, brody.
I know.
Yeah, cause it's a new number. Yeah.
I said African.
Yeah. Did you?
Yeah, I said, bro, it's the African nigga, the Liberian boy.
I swear I didn't see it, bro. Nah, I didn't see it. Oh, yeah. Everything been good, though.
Oh, man.
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. Yeah, I got you, bro. I'm gonna let the ice get off of it so I can show you. It's clean, though, bro. They clean. Yeah. Run good. You know, I do good business, bro. You know that. Yeah. Yeah.
Need another car.
Yeah. All day. Yes, sir. Yep.
Yeah. I got this and I got this.
Yep. You get your ID on you?
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
You about to sign on it?
Yeah. Hey, so will it still run?
Yeah, man, Ross, this is smoky.
Let me see, hold on, let me see.
She can't afford it.
Let me see.
I ain't trying to pay.
Yeah, no. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me see. Push button start. Damn, push button start, man. Yeah, yup. That's why I tell you guys, it's see, that's why, hold on, back it up. Look at that, backup camera, guys. Still plenty power. Still shipping good. Now, he probably smashed the radiator, so I'm not gonna go far on this, but, dang. 206,000. So what I'll do with this one immediately, I'm gonna take it to take it to one of the car lots and see if they want to fix it and put it back on the road. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with this thing. Like I said, ain't nothing wrong with this. Ain't nothing wrong with this, guys. Warning collision in the front. Look at that backup camera. This thing is beautiful. And this is why I tell you guys, this is why this would be, you would want to get in this kind of business, this kind of work, because you see, every car you get is not gonna be junk. To a customer, yes, it might be junk, but a lot of these cars can be fixed, right? Hold on, let me see. Look at this, can be fixed and put back on the road. Huh? Yeah. No, for real. Dang. Yes, sir, guys. This thing, it's a nice car right here.
Yeah, she was salty as fuck, boy, when she pulled up on
Was she? Yeah.
Boy, she was mad as fuck. Like it was her fault.
Yeah.
I was like, what
I know she was like, damn.
She's like, I was speeding. I said, you damn
Damn.
right. Hey, man, I'm talking about she was speeding.
So,
dog.
hey,
the other niggas car wasn't even fucking.
it wasn't messed up or nothing.
The only thing was messed up was his back, his driver's side tail light.
Yeah.
He had a little scratch on the side.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it. That's all I'm
Damn.
with it.
Yeah.
I'm mad at her, but I got her already together. I went on Facebook.
Yeah.
And this lady's like 1,500.
Yeah. You meant title?
Yeah, I did.
I think I handed it to
Oh,
you.
yeah, you handed it
yeah.
back.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
yeah, man. If you need anything, just let me know.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
And,
And let's say I'm
can
sending you
shoot
pictures too.
Yeah, I can shoot you her number.
Okay.
Just in case of anything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot you her number. I'm gonna text it to you tomorrow.
Yeah.
In the crib.
Okay.
But yeah, man.
So it's where you at now?
Yeah, that's where I live.
It's a
It's my
nice house. Nice house.
Yeah, man.
Love that.
it's-
Big, ain't it? Yeah.
I need some more money.
Yes, sir.
So just keep up with this bill.
Yeah.
I need some more money.
Strap this down real quick.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, man. I'm happy to see y'all, man.
Yeah, man. Like, cause when you wrote me, I'm like, cause you was texting. I'm like, I don't know who I was talking to though.
Yeah, man. That's why I don't like to text.
Yeah.
That's why I be trying to call
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
I be so busy.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn, let me go ahead and just.
Yes, sir. Yep. And that's crazy because you just said that, but how'd you know that? How'd you know we grabbed the other one? Did you see him already?
Yeah, he was.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Man, you got off the phone.
Yeah. Cause you was like, yeah, man, we picked up a car before. I was like, who? Yeah.
All right, man. She's all over the place.
Hey, cuz, hit that for me, all right. Cool. Yeah. Oh.
She's like, well, I want to pick a car. I said, well, next year's taxes, baby. Next year.
Yeah.
Well, next year, another car.
Yeah.
Well, you can handle a big car.
Yeah. For real. Now, look, good tires, gas. Yeah. Cause it ain't too bad for real. What is this? 2011? 2011. That thing ain't hurt, dog. Clean title, light still work. Front bumper. Yeah, I got you, bro. Yes, sir. Yep. I'm gonna send you some pictures, bro. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Yes, sir. You guys gotta believe me when I tell y'all, man. This game will take care of you and your family, man. It's all about how you do it, treat people right. And it's crazy because I didn't even realize that dude, he's a repeat customer. Basically, long story short, how I met him, I did a tow. His car had broke down on the highway. I went and picked it up. They took it to the shop, and I told him, I said, listen, man, remember, I said, we just don't do tows. I said, man, we buy junk cars as well. So I'm like, if the shop is talking too crazy and it's a number that you don't want to, you don't want to spend, I said, give me a call and we're bad for junk. And that's what he did. He called me back. I bought his other car for junk. And here it is, months down the line. He's calling with another one. And he wants to buy one of the cars that we got for sale also. So like I said, guys, man, you're gonna meet a lot of people in this game. A lot of people in this game, man. It's all a revolving door, guys. All a revolving door. So listen, guys, man, we're gonna go ahead and this one strapped down. And we're gonna grab something to eat. So when we get over to Honey J's, I'll punch back in with y'all. Let's get it, baby. Peace. All right, guys, man. Welcome back, man. So we just pulled up at a new restaurant in my city, man, called Honey J's, man. So we're gonna go in here and grab something to eat. Y'all see it, Honey J's, man. Y'all can Google them. Their food's really good. We're gonna go in here and grab our food, and then we're gonna come back in the truck, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So tune in. Let's get it. Okay, guys. Okay, man. We just came out of Honey J's. Let me show you guys what we're working with, baby. I see it, man. So we got the wing plate, tossed in the sauce. Get them good greens, mac and cheese. See what cuz got the wings with the fries, seasoned fries with the mac and cheese, man. So just had to show y'all, man. We do got some good restaurants in Kentucky, man. Don't sleep on us. We ain't just known for horses, man. This is a black-owned restaurant here. They haven't been open that long, but they do have another location across town that's actually named something else. But they came over here and just with a whole new name, whole new area. They saying they actually been doing pretty good, yeah. So, like I said, man, if you ever in the Lexington, Kentucky area, make sure y'all stop what y'all doing and check out Honey J's, guys. Now back to the episode. Let's get it. Yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir, man. So, like I said, y'all remember, we just picked that up, man. Without doing anything to it, man. Brought it to one of my buddy's lots, man. Paid $400 for it. He's gonna go ahead and cash us out $1,200 for it, man. And like I said, they're quick, man. Making a quick 800 just to drive, just go pick it up and drive across town. I don't have to put no money in it. I don't have to fix the bumper, anything, guys. And like I said, sometimes when you're super busy and you just don't have time, just buy and dump, get your money, keep it going. But on down the line in the future, man, we will start fixing some of these cars up, a lot of them, and putting them back on the road and getting our money. But at this very moment, we're just too busy to do it, man. So y'all see us running, man. 2011 Ford Edge, paid $400, made a quick 800, guys. So we'll see y'all at the next pickup, baby. Let's get it. Peace.